This spot of land actually used to hold the brewery that Anheuser-Busch owned. After several years, they tore it down and built the regular wooden dueling roller coaster named Gwazi. The regular coaster had two sides. It had a tiger that would come up this side and a lion that would go up that side, and they would battle it out until the end of the ride. After several years, they decided they were going to turn it into a new ride called the Iron Gwazi, which it is now today. When they built the Iron Gwazi, they preserved lots of the wood and foundations. So if you guys look on the ground over here, you'll see a bunch of circle footers on the ground. Those are all from the original Gwazi, and they were reused for the Iron Gwazi. If you guys look behind you, you'll see the darker wood right there. That is original Gwazi wood that was not knocked down or moved. They used the same wood for the Iron Gwazi as well as if you guys look over here on the side, there's a bunch of wood that's stacked up. You'll see the darker wood is actually preserved Gwazi wood that they're able to reuse when it's time to start replacing some of the wooden structure. Iron Gwazi is 206 feet tall, 91-degree drop, and it goes 76 miles per hour. It is a hybrid coaster, which means that it is made of wood and steel. So the wooden structure is wood, and the track is steel. It also has steel supports to support the wood during its more intense moments. Does anyone have any questions so far?
Everything that they need to work on Iron Gwazi, they have here in their shop. We do have a train maybe behind us. It is only the first car for us to store it underneath our transfer track. You guys can take pictures with it as soon as we're done in the barn. We'll give you guys some time to take pictures and then we'll go over there. This right here is our battery pack that we use on Iron Gwazi. So if we ever had to manually release any of our cars, this hooks up to the back of the car. And if you guys look on the back of the train later, you'll see a gray box. This is where this hooks up to. And we can manually release any seat that we need on a car. So if we had to do an escort, this is what we would use to help get people out. In the maintenance barn to the right over here, we have our MCC room. That's going to be where all the electrical and like the panels and stuff for Iron Gwazi is. We will not be able to go up to the panel today as far as going up there. However, in the MCC room, there is a computer that gives you a live screen of what our panel looks like. So when we go in there, I just ask you guys don't touch anything and you guys can take pictures, okay? Over here to the left are going to be all of like the electrical boxes, so everything inside has stuff to do with the lift or anything else on our ride that we need. They do keep it locked up so that nobody can come in here and just touch it. To the left right here is going to be that computer screen I was talking about. This is a live view of our computer or of our panel upstairs. It can tell you where the train's at. It can tell you what seats are locked and what seats have not been locked, as well as if we have any leaks over there.
So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of explain to you guys what you're seeing here. So this is Daisy. This is our third train. What's cool about this train is that if you guys look at the wheel bogies down here, the guide wheel, which is the middle wheel, is on the inside. And this allows the train to go through tighter turns at a faster rate compared to other rides, such as like Sheikra and Cheetahheim. You may wonder why it's so smooth compared to like the original Gwazi, and that's because every set of wheel bogies can actually move up and down or side to side, and this allows the train to guide through the turns without feeling any type of roughness compared to like the original Gwazi or another ride that doesn't have the bogies that
When you just that, did you have to install so does it
No, it just comes up and down. Every seat is secured with 2 cylinders. So what that means is that if one of those cylinders does go out, the other one will also stay locked so that it doesn't just come up in the middle of the ride and it goes out.
Where's the rest of it?
The train is going to be over where she is. You guys can feel free to say anything.
After you guys are done taking pictures, we're going to walk underneath here to our transfer track area. So when you guys are done, just come meet us over here. It's going to be another one of our maintenance areas. This is underneath our transfer track. This is where we're currently storing train 3, at least the rest of the cars. In here we also have our wheels that we have to change them out. You'll be able to pick them up just to see how heavy or how light they are. We do have some wheels in here that are bad as well, so you can kind of see what they look like when they start to go bad. If you guys want, you can go ahead and walk in. So like I said, these are our wheels. If you guys want, we can pass a couple around so you guys can feel them. It's really up to you. They do have some weight to them. So these wheels right here are wheels that are unbuilt. You can see that it is missing the center piece versus a wheel like this that already has that black piece in the center. Our maintenance people actually do build their own wheels here. They can build them right over here using the shop press. So when we start to go low, they have to build them themselves. Down here you can see that these wheels are not like the other ones. These are starting to go bad, and so they've taken them off the train. Right here, this black wheel is actually our road wheels that are on the track. So this is what actually moves the train to get it going when it's in station or leaving any of our blocks. Behind you guys is our third train. You guys can see the third train car. Fun fact, one of our cars gives 8,000 pounds.
If you guys get a chance, back here is actually where that battery pack that we showed you guys, that's where this connects. So you put that little lever down, pop over the tab, and it plugs it right here. And then from here, we can actually pop each individual seat. And we have little lights down here that signify whenever each seat is popped up. It'll be illuminated if it's locked and secured, and it'll be out if it's not. That's it.
Here, this is called our brake bin. Every car has a brake bin, and that's essentially what the ride uses to slow down the train with our mag brakes and pinch brakes as well. So the kicker tires use it.